Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? In ape plus pix, in ape pix, eye. In a pig's eye. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Art. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our program. Please join me in welcoming back our two players. The man on my right has done very, very well on this show. He has won over $8,000. This is Jeff Walker. He's a policeman in Southern California. Welcome back, Jeff.
Nice to be here.
Good luck today. You're facing the same opponent as last time out, but today there's more at stake for him. He has to win because he has that one strike against him. This is Tyler Fauché. Did I get Fauché?
Good to see you again, Alex. Great to be back.
I hope you win so that I can get to pronounce your name correctly.
That'd be very nice. I'll try to give you another opportunity. Well, Jeff was a very worthy opponent yesterday, and I had a big breakfast this morning and took some vitamins, so I'm going to give him a run for his money.
Okay, take a look over here. Good prize. One of the ones you're playing for in this game.
This charming patio dining group, crafted of tubular steel designed to be weather-resistant, features 4 stacking armchairs, a tempered 48-inch glass-top table with 7.5-foot diameter umbrella, furnished by Emu. Back to you, Alex.
And we'll show our players where they can find that on the board. Hiding at number 5. Also, there's a vacation in the Poconos, Tyler, and you get to pick first, of course.
Okay, great. Why don't we open up the puzzle at number 13, please?
Betting ensemble.
Betting ensemble. That'd be very nice. We're going to get a new bed pretty soon. Could we go for a potential match under number 17?
No, red take is what we have there. Jeff?
Want the patio furniture. Let's try number 2.
Tennis rackets for 2.
Okay, let's try for a match under number 11.
Designer dresses, no match. Tyler?
Okay. Could we take a look at what's under number 19, please?
Tennis rackets for 2?
Rackets for 2, and go for the match at 11?
No, wrong place to go for that match.
Need
Jeff?
some new rackets for that vacation I got yesterday. Let's try number 2.
Number 2, right?
Match under number 19.
You are correct. What was Tyler thinking of?
I don't know, the Poconos.
The Poconos.
He was on the last game.
He was in the last game. Open it up. Tyler, I believe what confused you a moment ago was that Jeff had selected 2 and 11, and you remembered seeing it, but you just got the numbers. Just got the numbers mixed up. Jeff, pick again.
New number. Let's try number 17.
Red take.
That was an old number. Number 11.
No. Well, that's the designer dresses. You guys are hung up on those designer dresses. Yeah, Tyler?
Actually, transvestites. I want to go for the cash pot. Grandma needs a kidney transplant, so let's take a look at number 23, please.
23, green take.
Green take, okay, and I'm getting some really great vibrations from number 9.
You always get these vibrations, and so far they
not
haven't
good enough.
really worked. Stakes for a year is what we had there. Jeff?
Well, as we talked yesterday, just had my first son, so let's try number 1.
Designer sunglasses.
Which would be nice.
With the designer dresses.
Match number 22.
No, betting
saw
ensemble.
that.
Tyler?
Betting ensemble. I know we've seen that before. Is it number 13?
Yes, it is.
And the match at 22.
You are correct. And there's the prize for your column. Open it up, please. Select again.
Okay, well, I got to take those 8 orphans I adopted to some nice trip somewhere. Could I see number 15?
Patio furniture.
Patio furniture in the match at 5, please.
Patio furniture is right. 2 more panels opening up for the challenger. Select.
Okay, still a little early. We need to open up the left-hand portion of the puzzle. Could I see what's under number 6?
Diamond and topaz ring.
Ooh, that'd be very nice. I know. Could I go for a match at 21, please?
Yes, you can indeed. You can, and you did.
Okay.
And you've earned a look at the puzzle with these 2 doors open. Pick again.
Okay, we still need to see a lot more of the puzzle. Could I take a look at number 18?
Leather garment bag.
Leather garment bag, that'd be nice for the trip I'm going to win in a minute. Could I take a look at number 20?
Wild card.
All right.
It's taken a long while for those wild cards to show up. The other leather garment bag at number 24. So the bottom of the puzzle will start to reveal itself very nicely now for Tyler. Take a look. Go again.
Let's see. We kind of need to see some of the upper portion of the puzzle. Could I take a look under number 4?
Designer sunglasses.
Designer sunglasses. I know we've seen those before. Were they under number 16?
Nope. Stakes for a year is what we have there. Jeff?
My son needs new glasses. Number 1.
Number 1 for my son, yes.
And the match under 4.
You are correct. Now, you got to look at the puzzle. Actually what?
I need those glasses for the new bike patrol.
Aha. All righty.
Public service.
Take a look. Pick again.
Let's try number 10.
Wild card for you.
Let's see if we can find another trip under number 12.
Another wild card. That, as you know, is $500 in cash, and you've earned the right to select again, so you're going to get a look at 4 pieces of the puzzle.
Christmas Day, number 25.
Red tape. The other red tape on the board at number 17. You want to use it now? Got some good
Yes.
stuff.
Patio furniture.
We want the patio furniture.
Yeah?
Patio furniture.
Patio furniture coming over to Jeff Walker's side, and 4 panels swinging open for his benefit. Go again.
Let's try number 8.
Green take this time.
Was that under 16? No.
No, stakes for a year. Tyler?
Okay, I believe we've seen that green take before. Was it under number 23? And 8 for the match.
You're right. Now, do you want to use it? It's got $500 in cash. The patio furniture is certainly worth more than $500 in cash.
Save when I get the trip. Come on. I'll take the $500 now.
All right.
I'm greedy.
Man's going for the cash. And we are opening 2 panels for him. Go again.
Okay. Could we take a look under number 7 to reveal that part of the puzzle? Vacation in the Poconos. That would be
Yes.
excellent. Could we go for the match under number 14?
Vacation in the Poconos, yes. Now take a look at the puzzle. Go again.
Okay, could I see what's under number 3, please?
Designer dresses.
And for the match under number 16?
Oh, Tyler. Jeff.
Yes. Number 11.
Designer dresses.
Match
Yes.
under number 3.
Yep, we saw those dresses there earlier. Dresses go up, the panels open. We take a look at 9 and 16. We know those are the stakes for a year. Another prize in Jeff's column, but he's got to solve the puzzle in order to win them. Can he do it? Take a look. Tyler, can you do it? All right, I'm going to assist you. Hands on your signaling buttons. We've got the 8 plus house plus sand. 8,000. 1,000. Tyler?
1,000 times no.
Is it 1,000 times no? It is indeed. And Tyler has come through in a pinch. That was a tough puzzle. Come on, Tyler. It is always more difficult, of course, when one symbol is flopping over into more than one word. You break it down.
Okay, we've got the 8 plus the house and the sand for 8,000, and times in the end plus the hoe for times no, so 1,000 times no.
1,000 times no. The 8 made it very, very tough.
Yeah,
Jeff, 1 strike for you only. That means you're coming back in game number 2 in a little bit.
I'll be right here.
All right, we'll see you then. Now, let's find out about Tyler's prizes. Art, if you will.
Tyler, you have a leather garment bag, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a leather garment bag or other top 9 brands for our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise. And a bedding ensemble, Burlington House's Garden Fantasy, comfortable ensemble with matching accessories, coordinating floral and geometric pattern with a distinctive Eastern look, furnished by Burlington House. And a diamond topaz ring, part of South Dakota Gold Company Gemstar line, a beautiful 10-carat blue topaz ring crafted in 14-karat gold and accented with 4 diamonds, furnished by South Dakota Gold Company. And a vacation in the Poconos. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to New York. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality, furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at Mount Airy Lodge in the Pennsylvania Poconos. You'll enjoy luxurious accommodations, gourmet dining, sports facilities, and a gala nightlife, furnished by Mount Airy Lodge. And $500 in cash. Prizes worth $4,560.
Big win for your first time out, Tyler. When we come back, Tyler will try to win a brand new car, and he says he thinks he's got this round figured out. We'll see. Tyler may have put some added pressure on himself for this round because, as I indicated a few moments ago, he said, I think I've got this round figured out. Let's see. 15 numbered squares for you, Tyler, and base time on the clock, 35 seconds. It's enough if you get lucky. Good luck. Go to work.
1-3.
No.
4-5.
No.
7-9.
No.
10-12.
No.
13-15.
No.
15-7.
Yes.
4-5.
No.
8-9.
No.
11-9.
No.
11-1.
No.
11-3.
Yeah.
2-5.
No.
2-10.
Yeah.
13-14.
No.
13-1.
What had you planned?
Well, my original plan was to go left to right and down, and then it wasn't working, and so I got desperate and tried anything.
Ah, I see. Okay, that's a good plan. All right. When you're in trouble, try anything. Meanwhile, you've got $4,560 in prize winnings, and you're going on into that all-important third and deciding game between you and Jeff. We'll get to it after this. Marjorie's acting up. She's being silly, so we might as well look in on her right now.
Get a total body workout at home with Nordic Track's Home Fitness and Entertainment Center. Conveniently folds for storage when not in use. Furnished by Nordic Track. Alex?
Short people just can't handle that stuff. All right, no, don't take any more shots of her. You'll embarrass her. She can't even stand up on it. Tyler and Jeff, take a look at our board. We'll show you where you can find the exercise equipment. It's at number 16. 5 bonus seconds in this round. Cash pot with $700 and a Florida resort vacation. Jeff, you get to pick first.
Let's look for Florida under number 9.
Electric guitar with case.
Been wanting to learn how to play. Let's see if we can find a match under number 20.
5 bonus seconds. Tyler.
Okay, the ski machine looks a little too dangerous for me. I'm going to go fishing for that trip to Florida under number 21.
Cash pot.
Cash pot, that'd be very nice also. Could I go for match under number 8?
Wallpaper gift certificate. No match. Jeff.
Now let's go down to the corner, number 25.
Red take.
And how about a match under number 15?
31-inch color TV. You want that one?
I want it.
You want the big screen TV. Tyler, back to you.
Okay, you can have the TV if I can have the trip. Is the trip under number 17?
Cash pot.
And for the match under number 21?
21. All right. A chance at $700 after winning $500 just a few moments ago. Open these 2 panels for Tyler. Go again.
Okay, could I take a look at number 7, please? Gold diamond brooch. That wouldn't hurt too bad. Could I look for the other partner under number 24?
You could, and you would find a wild card there, making your first selection a valuable one. The other gold and diamond brooch at number 19. Take a look now. Select again.
Still kind of early. Could we open it up under number 9?
Electric guitar with case.
Okay. Could we go for match at 14?
Wallpaper gift certificate. No match. Jeff.
We saw that. Was that under 11?
Was it? No.
But the other half of that was under number 15.
You will remember the prizes that mean something to you.
Since we've been wanting one for about 6 months now.
All righty, take a look. Select again.
Let's try number 22.
Here's a wild card for you. What are you going to do with it?
Well, my wife wants a trip to visit her aunt in Florida, so how about number 4?
Florida Resort. There goes Tyler's holiday.
Yes.
The other vacation is at number 10.
As long as you don't get the take.
Is this enough? Take a look. Pick again, Jeff.
Let's try number 1.
5 bonus seconds.
Was that under number 20?
Yes. Jeff is starting to make his move, and it could be very costly for Tyler because both players are vulnerable right now. Jeff, take a look at the board. Still a wild card up there.
Let's look under dead center, number 13.
Green take.
I think we saw the red one before. How about number 9?
Electric
Which
guitar
was the
with
first one I
case. Tyler, here's your chance.
Okay, I'll try to take it back here. Could I see number 23, please?
Fitness Entertainment Center.
Fitness Entertainment Center. Was that on number 16?
16 is right. Good move. Can you solve it? You win the match. Pick again.
Still need to see a little bit more. Can I take a look under number 12?
Electric guitar with case.
And for that match under number 9.
The electric guitar with case. Tyler's got 4 prizes up there. Jeff has 3, but Tyler is in a position to win the game. Oh, you won't get a chance for any more selections. Ready to ring in? You can do that only after we have revealed the first of our boxes. We'll start with number 2. Jeff is in there.
Bite the dust.
Bite the dust is right. Oh, boy. And he's getting 2 prizes and the bonus seconds. Let's go to the board. This is a big win for you. It's going to work out very nicely, I feel.
This took a long time. I was hoping for bite, and the for bite the, and then dust for bite the dust.
You were hoping for that, and you got that. Congratulations. Tyler, we have to say goodbye to you, but you're going away a winner. You've got $4,560 in prizes, including $500 in cash. So congratulations. Thank you for being with us.
I had a lot of fun, Alex. Thanks for
Classic
it.
concentration. Take care. Jeff, got some good prizes. Tell them about them, Art.
Jeff, you were hoping for, and you've got a 31-inch color TV. Samsung's big picture is this 31-inch MTS stereo color television with high-tech monitor styling and a deluxe 36-key remote control furnished by Samsung Electronics and a Florida resort. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Tampa. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Saddlebrook. Enjoy 2 golf courses, 37 tennis courts, swimming, health spa, fine dining, and luxurious accommodations in a natural setting close to Central Florida attractions. And the 5 bonus car seconds. Prizes totaling $5,333.
Another big win for you, Jeff, and a chance to play for a car right after this commercial break. All right, Jeff, let's go to work. 15 numbered squares. You would have had 45 seconds on the clock, but you picked up the bonus, and so you're working with a full 50. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
Nope.
10, 11,
No.
12, 13,
No.
13, 5,
Yep.
14, 15,
No.
8, 15,
No.
3, 6,
No.
6, 14,
No.
6, 15,
Yes.
7, 12,
No.
7, 11,
No.
2-7. I'm going to find it. 2-14.
Yep.
1-12.
No.
4-12.
No.
4-10. Not even that's enough.
You really weren't close on that one. You didn't have any proper rhythm. But you've got $13,394, and you'll face a new player on our next show. For the moment, though, we'll take a break after this message from Art.
Some of today's participants may receive Singer's 5-in-1 coffee tea maker. Grinds beans and then brews coffee. Brews tea. Makes fresh iced coffee and tea, too. Furnished by Singer. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
So far, things are working out beautifully for Jeff Walker. He's wound up winning a lot of prizes that he really wanted, but he thought were too expensive to go out and buy. He still needs a new car, though. We'll find out if he can do that tomorrow. See you then.
This is Art James speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.